I said, if there is an impact on revenue, it is for both the center and the states. And in the GST Council, all of us are seated as equals. The center has 1/3. The states together have 2/3. And I sort of dramatize to say, we're all sitting together here, and there is a bori or a gunny bag in the center. All of us are earning our GST, and the money goes into the gunny bag, which is in the middle. If it is falling short of our expectation, all of us have to improve our collection efficiency and bring more money into the gunny bag. If it is not because of that, and if revenue is actually showing good buoyancy and we are having more, happily all of us will share it. But I, representing the center, I'm not sitting with a suitcase next to me, which is exclusive to me, that I can take money out of it and fill the gap in the gunny bag, which is at the center. There is no donor-donee relationship within the GST Council. So there is no way in which this concern that what if there is a revenue impact, who will fill the state's revenue falling? Center's revenue falls even further, because if the GST is divided between the center and the states 50-50, everything that you earn will be 50% given to the states and 50% will be the center. From the center's 50, 41% still goes to the states. The center ends up having only 23% of the total, and for us the fall will also be seriously impacting us. So that explanation I kept giving more than once, but I will be amiss if I don't give credit to the states for having come together and agreed and approved on this proposal to reduce the rates.